Most people choose between MoneyLion and Dave, based on one thing only: which app gives more money faster. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, the better app depends on your income, banking habits, transfer speed needs, and how often you actually borrow money. Some users swear by Dave because it feels simpler and easier to use. Others prefer MoneyLion because of larger advance potential and extra financial tools. So before you pick one, there are a few important differences you need to understand. In this video, I'll compare MoneyLion versus Dave in 2026, explain the pros and cons of both apps, and help you decide which cash advance app is actually better for your situation. Let's get straight into it. First, both apps are designed to help users access money before payday. Let's say Alex gets paid next Friday, but his account balance is running low today. Both Dave and MoneyLion may provide short-term cash advances to help cover expenses like groceries, gas, or utility bills. The biggest similarity is that both apps often focus more on banking activity and income consistency instead of traditional credit scores. That's one reason many people with average or poor credit consider these apps in the first place. But here's the problem. A lot of users expect large instant approvals immediately after signing up. In reality, both apps usually start new users with smaller advance amounts before limits increase gradually. Now here's where it gets interesting. Dave is usually better for simplicity. The app is straightforward, beginner-friendly, and easy to navigate. For example, Jake only needs occasional emergency cash for small expenses between paychecks. Dave may feel faster and less overwhelming for basic short-term borrowing. MoneyLion, on the other hand, offers more financial features overall. Besides cash advances, the app includes banking tools, credit tracking, budgeting options, and investment-related features. Some users like having everything inside one platform. This is where most people fail. They focus only on the advance amount and completely ignore transfer fees and repayment timing. Both apps may charge extra for instant transfers depending on how quickly you want the money delivered. Standard transfers are often slower, while faster delivery options can cost additional fees. Another important difference is borrowing potential. MoneyLion may offer higher limits over time for users with stable deposits and strong account history. Dave can still work well, but users looking for larger advances may eventually prefer MoneyLion's system. In a minute, I'll explain which app is usually better depending on your financial habits. If you want a simpler cash advance app mainly for occasional emergencies, Dave is often the easier choice. The interface is clean, beginner-friendly, and focused mainly on short-term advances. But if you want higher borrowing potential and extra financial tools beyond cash advances, MoneyLion may provide more long-term value. So which app is better in 2026? Dave is usually better for simplicity and casual users, while MoneyLion stands out for larger feature sets and potentially higher advances over time. The best option depends on how much flexibility and financial support you actually need. If this MoneyLion versus Dave comparison helped you decide which app fits your situation better, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which app you would personally choose in 2026.